UDOIT is an accessibility tool found within Canvas. It scans your content for accessibility issues, lists them, and tells you how to fix them. For example, it will tell you if you have broken web links, inaccessible colors, incorrectly formatted table headers, and missing alternative text. To use UDOIT, you can simply click on UDOIT Cloud in the navigation bar, and then click on Scan. UDOIT will provide a report that lists the errors, links to them, and shows you how to fix them. Accessibility is about continual improvement, making it easier for everyone to use Canvas. If you need help with this, contact us using the link in the video description.